I finally bought a hairdryer. Oh my god, can you believe it? And I wanted to do a video about it. So I bought this Conair hairdryer because I didn't want to spend too much money. And I also ordered it on Amazon and it came pretty quickly. It took about 5 days, I would say, with Amazon Prime, you know, because they probably didn't have it at the warehouse. But this is the Infiniti Pro Conair custom styling fast driving iron choice dryer. So it's pretty cool. Apparently this is what it looks like. Of course I already tried it to know what my thoughts are, you know, like handling it, because I never had a hair dryer before to me, so I didn't want to look like an idiot with it. Pretty cool packaging, as I would say. There's a bunch of things on the side. It's telling you the iron choice, the pro tips. There's obviously 2 attachments, Be the Pro and Infiniti Pro, for healthier looking hair, because there's infrared heat generated with ceramic technology for gentle, even drying. There's also smooth, shiny results with ionic technology, ensures up to 75% less frizz, and personalized styling with 3 heats, 2 speeds, lock in your style with the True Cold button, extend the motor life by eliminating lint buildup from the removable filter, which is nice, and enhance your natural texture with the volumizing diffuser. So there's 2 little attachments, of course. Achieve 50% faster drying with a professional AC motor that lasts up to 3 times longer. Express yourself. And also they were saying that with the iron on, right here it says for smooth, sleek styles, and irons off for volume and fullness, which I definitely need some volume and fullness on my head, but I need sleek style at the bottom if I want to have like a, you know, like a straight hairstyle. The only thing that I have to say, for when I received the box, I opened it from Amazon in the car. The box was dented. I was like, oh my god, are you serious? Like, that is not the Conair's fault. It's Amazon's fault for handling packages so badly. So I'm just gonna open it up and show you what it looks like. It's very cool. You got the attachment here. You got the other attachment here, which I'm not really gonna need the diffuser that much. Maybe if I dry my boyfriend's hair, because he has curly hair, this is gonna be amazing to really pick up the curls. I'm mostly gonna use this one. So we got this one, and then we have it here. So this is my head. I'm very small, like I always say. And you got the beautiful, I don't know if the camera's not picking it up really properly, but this is really, really cool. It's, you know, all colored. This is a deep kind of yellowish blue. It looks black on the camera, but it's definitely not black. It has like beautiful colors in it. Is it easy? Clip. And I'm like, okay, you really have to clip it and then go with your hands. The only thing I have to say is because of the chrome finish, it does become really dirty, but just you can just use a towel and then clean it up, and it's just beautiful. So if I look, I like that there is this attachment at the bottom where you plug it, just because it's a safety thing. Some bathrooms, they don't have, you know, like that switch, like reset test, so this is really good for that, so it doesn't like shock anybody, it doesn't do weird things or catch fire. So it's a really good thing to have. It's the first time I see one on a hairdryer before, so I don't know, I never had one, but I did see a lot of hairdryers you know, so it's very good for traveling and stuff like this. It's not heavy, like some people I was reading the comments that were saying that it was heavy, but it's really not heavy. You have the cold button, and on the sides you have the on off here. You have this is the cool, warm, hot, and then you have the 3 different speeds. And then you have the removable filter, which I don't know. Oh, there's a little sticker there that you can remove. I'm just gonna leave it there for now, and we'll just try it on. And the other thing that I like, I know it's kind of stupid, but I really like it, is that this attachment, like if you look, there's an attachment right here, and it stays on the wire. So when you put it in your cabinets or anything, it's just very easy to store, and the wire doesn't just go everywhere. So that's a little plus attachment. Okay, so you're gonna hear it, how loud it is. My microphone is right here under, and oh, this is the ion. I'm so sorry. Okay, so it's not that loud. It is louder than, for example, like the Dyson, but I mean, It's normal. This is, if I say the price, I bought it for $60, tax included, on Amazon. It was actually on sale. I think it's 69 something. I'm gonna put it on the screen just to be sure, but yeah, it's a really nice one. And I also want to say that this, like the air, when it comes out, it's very like a tube, like it's so good that it doesn't like disperse too much, because you know, like some hair dryers, some cheap hair dryers, it just goes everywhere. This one is really like a tube and it comes out. Of course, like the further away your hand is, the more dispersed it's gonna be, but it's still like, if you dry like this, it's very precise, even though it's no attachments. So I tried it with no attachments and it works pretty good, but I'm really bad at this, so please bear with me. Okay, so my hair is clean. It's not dry. It's drying very quickly though, because I have very thin hair, so we have to get it moving. And I already put heat protectant, everything in my hair, so we don't have to worry about this. Time to plug it. Okay, so first I'm gonna do the roots, okay? And this, I'm gonna put my hair down with the low setting on hot. Do this quickly and then I'll come back to really blow dry my hair. All right, so let's try this attachment now. I'm going out of the frame because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like, okay, I have to go. So, all right, so our hair is dry, kind of. And it's pretty nice. Look at that little bounce that it does. It's super pretty. And I like it, super sleek. Don't like take my hair for like a count or like, oh my God, her hair is so straight. No, it's because my hair is straight no matter what. So even if like I have humidity, anything, my hair is gonna be straight, maybe like wavy a little bit, but that's about it. What I have to say is that I am awkward with this attachment. I'm really not used to it. This is just really, really weird to me, but it does a nice job. I feel like it's not concentrating as much, like it's still very dispersed. Like it's, if you remove the attachment, it's kind of like stronger, the current, especially when I put my hands in front of it. Other than that, it works really, really well. Like my hair didn't take long at all to dry, a couple minutes. And I have very thin hair, so it might be a little kind of like humid, a little tiny bit, but other than that, it's very pretty. Makes my hair looks very shiny and nice. It's way softer than if I hair dry it, and it's way straighter than if I hair dried it. So I feel like I tried it with only the irons on now, and it's pretty flat. So let me just put the irons off for fullness, and then I'm gonna put my head down and see if it changes anything for the volume, and I'll brush back my hair just to see what it does. So I'm just gonna do this. And whoop. Oh my God, this is so fluffy now. So what I did is I put the irons off, and then oh my God, this is so much fluffier. Okay, irons off, and then I did the cold shot button for that, and it looks way fluffier than what it is. So if I just take this and then I just brush it a little bit on the side, then you can definitely see a bit more volume. It's definitely not perfect because anyways, I don't have a lot of hair, and if it's kind of long, then you're gonna be able to see that it's flat on my head, but it does give a lot more volume, especially on the side here. Forget about this over here. And yeah, so this is my new hair dryer. I paid 60 bucks Canadian for it. I was, you know, I didn't want to buy like a cheap one. Like, okay, I was looking at Amazon. There was some that were $15. And I was like, okay, I need to get the most technology that I can in there. And buying the Conair one, I know it's a renowned brand. I know a lot of people love these hair dryers. So I was like, okay, this one looks nice. Infiniti Pro, a bunch of different technology, like I told you guys. And I feel like I'm not a like expert in hair dryers, but I did go to the gym, use the hair dryers there, and they're kind of like really, really bad. And this is really high quality up there compared to the gym ones or the hotel ones, or even the one that my parents had. Like it's a very cheap one from the drugstore, and I remember using it. You know, it was drying, but not that quickly. And it's true that this one dries really quickly on my hair because it's very thin and it doesn't take long and it's so smooth. Even the ends, they don't really look that bad if I show you. And I didn't cut my ends in like a year, maybe. And it's bleached, nothing. I didn't cut anything and my hair just looks really nice. So I'm really happy with my purchase. I mean, my hair looks way nicer now. And if I wanted, I could put a little spray, which I'm not going to do right now. But this is like a shine spray, and it would add some shine on my hair. Just need a hairdryer and a brush. Oh my God. Okay, this looks really, really nice. What do you guys think? I look so much better with my hair like this. And even that, the first time I used it was without any attachment, nothing. I was at the other duplex and I was just hair drying. I wanted to try it so bad and I didn't have my shampoo, conditioner, nothing, but I still like wet my hair and then I dried my hair with it and my ponytail looks so good. And anyways, that's my experience with it. I loved it so much. I'm so glad that I bought this hair dryer. Anyways, this is my video on hair dryer, on this Conair Infiniti Pro air dryer. Obviously, if you want more videos like these and more tutorials, more things like this, make sure to like the video and to comment down below what's your hair dryer that you use. Do you buy one from the dog store? Do you have an expensive one? Did you know, shop for it? Anyways, tell me down below. And also consider subscribing for 5 beautiful videos a week, Monday through Friday, all on beauty related and more. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, staying subscribed, and again, watching my content. You know, it really means the world to me when you do that. And I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.